Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Lisa. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I just wanted to check in with you. How are you feeling this morning?
I'm feeling pretty well, thanks. I woke up early, had a good breakfast, and now I'm a little bit relaxed. How about you?
I'm doing well too. I woke up feeling a bit tired, but after a cup of tea, I feel better now. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well last night. I usually try to get at least 8 hours of sleep. It really helps me start the day right.
I agree. Good sleep is very important. Today I had a light breakfast with fruit and yogurt. It made me feel fresh.
That sounds healthy. I had oatmeal with a banana and a glass of orange juice. I like to eat something healthy in the morning.
It's great to start the day with healthy food. So, what are your plans for today?
Today I have a few meetings at work, and then I plan to go for a short walk in the park after lunch. I think exercise is good for my health.
That sounds nice. I plan to finish my work early and then do some yoga. Yoga helps me relax and feel calm.
Yoga is good for the body and mind. I sometimes stretch or take a walk to clear my head.
Exactly. Sometimes I also call my mom in the afternoon to ask, "How are you?" It is nice to hear her voice.
I do that too. I call my dad on weekends. It always makes me happy and makes me feel close to my family.
Family is important for our health and happiness. By the way, did you hear about the health talk in the community center next week?
No, I haven't. What is it about?
It's a free seminar on how to improve your daily habits, eating healthy, exercising, and managing stress. I think it will be useful.
That sounds interesting. I want to join it if I have time. I always look for ways to stay healthy.
Me too. I believe small changes in our daily habits can make a big difference in our health.
I agree. For example, I try to take a 5-minute break every hour when I work. I walk around and stretch my legs. It helps me not feel too tired.
That's a good idea. I also set reminders on my phone to drink water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is important.
Absolutely. I try to drink at least 2 liters of water a day. Sometimes I forget, but the reminder helps.
Besides drinking water and exercising, I also try to eat vegetables and fruits every day. It gives me energy.
Yes, a balanced diet is very important. I try to avoid too much fast food. I cook at home when I can, so I know what's in my meals.
Cooking at home is a healthy habit. I enjoy preparing simple meals like salads, soups, and sometimes pasta with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. I like to cook rice with vegetables and sometimes add a little chicken. It's simple and healthy.
It is. And cooking can be relaxing too. I often play soft music in the background while I cook.
Music makes everything better, doesn't it? I like to listen to upbeat songs when I'm cooking or cleaning.
Yes, music lifts my mood. Speaking of cleaning, I always tidy my room in the morning. A clean space makes me feel calm and happy.
I do the same. I keep my desk neat so I can focus on my work. It helps reduce stress.
Do you ever do any exercise at home?
Yes, sometimes I do a quick workout in the morning. I follow a short video online that lasts about 15 minutes. It's simple, but it makes a big difference.
I like that. I sometimes do stretching exercises or yoga in my living room. It makes me feel more flexible and relaxed.
It is amazing how small routines can improve our overall health.
Yes, every little habit counts. Even taking a walk to get some fresh air can help clear your mind.
I also try to spend some time outside in nature. I feel much better when I see green trees and blue skies.
Me too. I think being in nature is very good for our mental health. It makes me feel peaceful.
Do you ever meditate, Lisa?
Yes, I do. I try to meditate for 5 to 10 minutes every day. It helps me reduce stress and stay focused.
That's great. I've been thinking about meditation too. I might try it in the evenings after work.
You should, Tom. It is very calming.
So, what do you usually do if you feel a bit sick?
If I feel sick, I usually take a rest, drink hot tea, and sometimes I watch a light movie to distract myself. I also make sure to eat simple food, like soup.
That sounds like a good plan. I usually stay in bed, drink water, and sometimes call my doctor if I do not feel well.
It's important to take care of yourself when you are sick.
Yes, and to get enough sleep. Sleep is one of the best ways to recover.
I agree. I try to sleep at least 8 hours every night. When I don't sleep enough, I feel tired and less focused.
Sleep is essential. I also try to avoid using my phone right before bed. It helps me sleep better.
That is a good habit. I turn off my devices at least 30 minutes before sleep to help my mind relax.
It's amazing how small changes in our routine can make a big difference in our health.
Yes, I feel that when I have a good routine, I am more productive and happier.
I agree, Lisa. Taking care of our health with small, daily habits makes our life much better.
Thanks for chatting with me about our daily health habits, Tom. It's nice to share ideas on how to feel better each day.
Thank you, Lisa. I enjoyed our conversation. It reminds me how important it is to check in on our health every day.
I look forward to our next chat. Maybe next time we can share some new healthy recipes or workout ideas.
That sounds great. I will look for some new exercises to try and maybe a healthy recipe or two.
Perfect. Have a great day, Tom, and take care of yourself.
Thank you, Lisa. You too. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you feel great all day long.
Goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye, Lisa.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.